Hey guys, Nick here. Today we're going to be doing some kettlebell swings and some easy oblique punches. We'll do 3 sets of each. Hope you guys follow along. We start with the lighter kettlebell first. I like to hold it with 3 fingers. It depends how big your hands are. So I'll start in a little squat position, and then you want to swing it forward and throw your hips forward. Bend down, knees, hips. Focus on the glutes at the top. Now we're going to do the knees. I like to hold the sides and feel it, but you don't have to. Down. You should feel a little stretch, a little tension. Sides. Kettlebell. Hips. Stay with me. Congratulations, guys. You just did 3 sets of kettlebell swings and 3 sets of oblique crunches on each side. All weighted. Thanks for following along.